we come to the second of my videos on solving differential equations by separating the variables. So we've got find the particular solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to cos x over y, such that when x is pi over 12, y is 2. Okay, so writing down the differential equations, the first step would be to separate the variables because we've got an x and a y on both sides. So tend to take the y's to the left-hand side. So this is 1 over y, so on this side it will just become y dy by dx is equal to cos x, and then we will integrate both sides with respect to x. So the left-hand side will just become the integral of y dy, and then the right-hand side will be the integral of cos 2x dx, integral cos 2x dx. Now, d dx of cos f of x is f dash of x is sine. In fact, I want to change that a little bit. I want to just say that d dx of sine of f of x is going to be f dash of x cos f of x. So what you do, you differentiate that bit, you put it in front and change the sign to cos. And we're integrating, so we're going from, so the integral of cos will be sine. But integrating y, we just get y squared over 2 using the power rule. And then if we integrate this side, we're going to have sine 2x, and we're going to have to put a half in front. So if we differentiate, that 2 will come in front, cancel it out, and that will become cos 2x, which is what it was originally, plus our constant. And we'll call that equation 1. So when x is equal to pi over 12, when x is pi over 12, when y is equal to 2, we'll substitute that in, we're going to get 2 squared over 2 is equal to a half sine of 2 pi over 12 plus c. So 2 squared over 2, that will be 4 over 2, that will give me 2, is equal to, and then 2 times pi over 12 is pi over 6. Now sine of pi over 6, you should sort of know that in your head, is a half. It's like a sine of 30 degrees. So 2 is equal to a half times a half plus c. So 2 will be equal to a quarter plus c. And if you take the quarter to the other side, we get this 2 minus a quarter becomes 7 over 4 is equal to c. And then we'll substitute that back into 1. The equation 1 will be stopped. So we've got y squared over 2 is equal to a half of sine 2x plus 7 over 4. Multiply through by 2, so we're going to get y squared is sine 2x plus 7 over 2, and then we'll take the square root of that, sine 2x plus 7 over 2, that there could be a plus or a minus square root. Okay, so it's been a video to show you how to solve an equation, differential equation, by separating the variables. I hope you've understood, and maybe you could consider subscribing to my channel, and you'll find the link to my video site in the notes of this video.